Now, in the meantime, the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, says it's worried that rising fuel prices in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine will affect its customers. In a release, JPS's Chief Financial Officer, Vernon Douglas, pointed to the increase in the prices of oil and natural gas in the last year, which is likely to rise higher, resulting in a spike in electricity costs. Now, the JPS executive explained that the company has to pay more to its fuel suppliers and added that fuel makes up about half of customers' electricity bills, so the monthly changes can be significant. The JPS says it is also concerned about the possible shortage of fuel to Jamaica. The company has started discussions with its suppliers, Petrojam and New Fortress Energy, to assess their ability to meet the country's fuel needs. The utility company says its suppliers are exploring all options to secure fuel.